One of the toughest things we battle as technicians is when we run across the one thing that can really slow us down. It's that four-letter word, R-U-S-T. It's bad enough when we've got to fight a stuck fastener with heat and penetrating oil, but just as frustrating can be parts like a brake rotor or drum that are caked up with rust. If you've fought with that before, you know how hard it can be to remove rust like that. That is, unless you're using the model 6390 compact needle scaler from AIRCAT. I'm going to show you how well this works, but let's take a look at some of the features first. The 6390 has a lightweight compact design, a durable steel housing and a comfortable grip and trigger, plus this knurled housing in the front gives you extra grip for better control. It's equipped with 12 5-inch needles that deliver 4,800 blows per minute through an 1.25 inch stroke, and it will handle the removal of rust, scale, and paint on flat or irregular surfaces. So let's check this out in action. The 6390 has high power and low noise, a combination AIRCAT is known for, but when metal hits metal, you're going to make a racket, so I've got my safety glasses and hearing protection ready to go. I'll give it a couple drops of oil, and let's see how it handles the rust on this rotor. I love the way it knocks the rust right off, and this is especially useful for cleaning up a rotor before resurfacing. Now let's try it out on paint. As you can see, paint is no problem for the AIRCAT compact needle scaler. Rust, scale, paint, the uses are endless, and to top it off, it comes with a 2-year warranty and the quality you expect from AIRCAT. For more information, check out aircat.com. Thanks for watching.